What shirt should I wear? This one or this one?
Dude, they're the same.
Okay, I'll go with this one.
Who's here?
Just my cat. Oh,
Nice.
Jet's your cat? Jet's your cat?
And my other cat. How are you? See, Tony, a lot of people actually hate Mondays. I hate going to the office, I hate Mondays, I hate work. That's why when I was building the NASDAILY company, I wanted it to be the anti-Monday. I wanted it to be fun, meaningful, passion-driven. You know, I wanted to be different from any other company out there. And we don't have the money that Google has, but let me show you what we built inside the office. Okay, I'm very excited. I'm very excited to show you what we have built. And I hope you build your own office like ours. Good morning!
We're gonna show you guys the office here at the NASDAILY company.
Come, let me show you a tour of the office. Okay. First things first, we've been in operations for 632 days. So we count every single day that we work, kind of like 1,000 videos in 1,000 days. Now it's 1,000 days in a company. This is a map of the world. Do you know what this means actually, Tony?
Yeah, it's stretched, right? They stretch it just like the real size of each country. Is that right?
So the real size of Africa is this big compared to Europe, which is very small. So this is the real world map as opposed to the thing that you get on Google or TV or whatever. This is the team. Half of us are remote from like 5 different countries. The other half are in Singapore, but they're not in the office. There's a lot of ice cream apparently. How much ice cream there is? It's crazy. Oh no! I just broke them, I'm sorry. The next thing that I really like is this, which are gifts from the people that watch the videos. And some teacher in Thailand watches the videos and shows it to their students. And those students learn English from the videos because we speak very slow and clear. So, for example, the word diverse means this in Thai. Dominated means this in Thai. And so they understand the videos. What is the problem? What is the solution? Very cool. There is meaning to these videos. That's why. So today we're shooting a video about milk. I'm ready.
Wait.
You know, fun fact, I've never drunk milk in my life.
Really?
Never drunk milk like this in my life.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, it's disgusting. I f***ing hate milk. So this is the most important shot. It has to be like attention grabbing and it has to be like over the top.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is the YouTube award that we got, and we're getting another one from Facebook, shipping very soon. This is the first camera that I used to make videos, and the first few million videos of views came from this camera, and it's not for sale. This is our pantry. It's just some stuff. My favorite thing is the conference room. It has a beautiful, beautiful thing that was built by an artist in Malaysia that's built something beautiful. And it's also, if you look, there's a lot of diverse hands. There's black, there's white, there's hippie, there's Asian, there's everything. The final thing is the green room. See, people are comfortable. Too comfortable. And this, my favorite thing in the entire office, is a mass which is made of real grass that was preserved. It smells like real grass.
How much is it?
Don't ask. And that is the NASDAILY office. Thank you so much for watching. Next week, we will share with you more of what we do here at the company. YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there's real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do, give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.